Welcome. This video title Maximize Space Create Depth Idea for Smart Backyard. Introducing in the real of outdoor living space. Smart backyard often present a unique challenge. However, limited square foot again should not limited your creating or desire for an invite outdoor retreat with thoughtful plan and innovation design every day. Tiniest backyard can be transforming into a charm oasis, one of the most effective way to enhance a smart outdoor space is by incorporating a depth. Depth provide a versatile platform and for relaxed entertainment and enjoy nature. We explored a various of depth idea desire specialing for smart backyard range for multi-level depth to space save and everything in between. Multi-level depth. Multi-level depth are an excellent solve for maximize space in a smart backyard by creating different elevate you can various expand area and design zoom for various active for installed. You may have a choosy set area on one level or dining space one other and a built-in plants or firebed on yard another level, incorporating step ordering with benefit the level at architecture, interior and enhance accountability. Fluton depth. Fluton depth also known as freestand or play for depth and idea for smart backyard with limited ground space or challenge turn. Unlike traditional depth that requires footing, supported post fold depth and built depth on top of the ground or a bed. This make theme and principling often other or show landscape. Fold depth can be easier customized in size and shape or fit the available space while provide a seamless traditional between indoor and outdoor area. Corner depth when space in is it a platinum corner effect can make a significant define corner depth or design of fit into the corner of a yard make use of other wall space. Those depth can be built at ground level or rested define on your professional and side corner to maximize functionally. Consider incorporating built-in bulk of turning allow the freshness of the depth add or parallel to the corner can also creating provide and versatile interior. Rooftop depth for wall home owner with limited ground space. Rooftop depth often a vibrant outdoor retreat, whether it's almost shade or main sanctuary. A rooftop depth provide a bird eye view of the surrounding while maximize provide when design a rooftop depth be skewed to consider weight century point incorporating low maintenance plants break and shave ultimate and enhance comfort and aesthetic.